The Lamborghini Camper truck that changed van life forever. The year is 2035. A giant matte black machine rolls silently across the desert highway. The LED lights stretch across the entire front like the eyes of a futuristic predator. People stop recording Teslas. They stop looking at luxury RVs. Even millionaires pull out their phones. Because this is the world's first fully autonomous AI-powered Lamborghini camper truck. A vehicle so advanced it feels illegal to own. A camper truck that looks like it escaped from a sci-fi movie. A rolling luxury penthouse with artificial intelligence smarter than most smartphones. And today, we're going inside. But before we step in, imagine this. You wake up on top of a snowy mountain. The glass roof above your bed slowly turns transparent as the AI system says, "Good morning, Sahil. Outside temperature is -2 degrees. Coffee is ready. Route to your next destination has been optimized." The floor heats automatically. The windows tint according to sunlight. The kitchen robot prepares breakfast. The truck drives itself, and while you relax, solar nano panels on the body recharge the entire vehicle. No hotels, no homes, no limits. This is not just camping anymore. This is the future of living. And Lamborghini decided to enter the camper truck world in the most insane way possible. People thought Lamborghini only made supercars, fast, aggressive, loud. Aggressive design language that changed everything. But nobody expected them to create a luxury AI home on wheels capable of surviving deserts, mountains, and storms. Mountains, storms, and even off-grid living for months. And the craziest part? This thing is faster than some sports cars. Yes, a camper truck that can beat muscle cars in acceleration. Automotive experts noticed real Lamborghini design language, the sharp angles, hexagon lighting, fighter jet cockpit. Then came the official teaser. 3 words appeared on screen: beyond human driving. That's when everyone realized this wasn't just another RV, it was the future. This wasn't just another RV, it was the future. A fully AI-integrated intelligent mobile mansion. Inside the truck is even crazier. The cabin doesn't look like a camper, it looks like a luxury spaceship. Everything responds to voice and eye tracking. The AI learns your habits, your sleep, your music, your mood. If you're stressed, the interior changes colors. Relaxing music starts playing. Seat massage activates automatically. And if traffic appears ahead, the AI reroutes itself before you even know there's a problem. Lamborghini wanted to destroy every luxury RV company on Earth, so they added drone launch systems, smart glass privacy walls, hologram entertainment screens, AI security defense mode, voice-controlled furniture, retractable rooftop lounge, climate-adaptive sleeping pods, satellite internet stronger than home Wi-Fi. And yes, it even has a hidden garage for electric bikes and mini vehicles. This camper truck is so advanced, it feels alive. And today, you're about to experience every detail. From the cockpit to the luxury bedroom, to the insane AI systems, and the shocking price tag. Because this machine might become the most expensive camper truck ever built. Let's open the doors. Inside Lamborghini's futuristic AI camper mansion, the doors rise upward like a spaceship. Not outward, not sliding. The entire side panels lift using magnetic hydraulic systems. Soft ambient lights glow underneath the truck. The steps automatically deploy. And as soon as you enter, the AI recognizes your face instantly. Welcome back. The entire interior activates. Mood lighting fades in. Temperature adjusts. Your favorite music begins playing softly. This is not a camper truck anymore. This is a moving, intelligent luxury ecosystem. The interior design feels inspired by Lamborghini supercars mixed with futuristic architecture. Sharp, clean, minimal, unbelievably luxurious. The floor is made from self-healing nanocarbon materials. Scratches repair themselves overnight. The walls contain hidden OLED displays. The windows are AI adaptive smart panels, transparent, blacked out, mirror reflective. Now let's explore the living room. The lounge area transforms automatically depending on your activity. Watching movies, the seats rotate toward a massive holographic screen. Working remotely, the table rises from the floor. Sleeping, the couches flatten into relaxation beds. Gaming, hidden controllers emerge from the armrests. The AI predicts your needs before you ask. That's the scary part. The kitchen is even crazier. Forget tiny RV kitchens. This looks like a luxury penthouse kitchen from Dubai. There's an AI cooking assistant built into the counter. A robotic arm can actually prepare simple meals automatically. The refrigerator scans food freshness using smart sensors. If milk expires tomorrow, The system tells you today. Water comes from an atmospheric generator that extracts moisture from air. It can create drinking water almost anywhere. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This is where Lamborghini went completely insane. The bed floats slightly above the floor using magnetic suspension. LED constellations appear across the ceiling. The mattress adjusts firmness automatically. If your heartbeat becomes abnormal, the AI asks if you need medical assistance. The entire bedroom seals itself using soundproof adaptive walls. No outside noise, just silence. Imagine waking up and pressing one button. The roof opens. A panoramic glass sky appears above you. Mountains, stars, sunrise. But the bathroom might shock you most. Most camper bathrooms feel tiny. This one feels like a luxury spa. Digital mirrors display weather and health stats. The shower recycles and purifies water in real time. Even the toilet has biometric analysis technology. Yes, this truck literally analyzes your health daily. Now let's move outside. The rooftop transforms into a luxury lounge deck. Hidden solar wings extend outward. Drone cameras launch. At night, the truck becomes a glowing fortress. The underbody LEDs illuminate the ground. Security drones patrol. Thermal cameras scan movement. Nobody can approach without the AI knowing first. Now let's discuss driving. Or should we say, not driving, because this is mostly autonomous. The steering wheel retracts. The windshield becomes an augmented reality display. Navigation appears directly on the road. And thanks to electric hypermotors, this massive camper launches insanely fast, 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds. A camper should not move like this. The suspension adapts to terrain automatically. Sand, snow, rock, mud. Everything works without traditional fuel. Massive solid-state batteries power the entire vehicle. Combined with solar technology, the truck can survive off-grid for weeks. No hotels, no dependence, pure freedom. And honestly, this is why people are obsessed with futuristic camper trucks now. But there's one question. How much? Well, prepare yourself, because the number is absolutely insane. The true price of Lamborghini's AI camper truck. At first glance, you might think this futuristic Lamborghini camper truck costs around $300,000, maybe $500,000. That already sounds expensive, right? Wrong. Very wrong. Because this machine isn't competing with normal RVs. It's competing with luxury mansions, private jets, and billionaire lifestyles. Industry experts estimate the base model alone could start around $2 million. Yes, $2 million. And that's before custom upgrades, before AI expansions, before luxury packages. Once fully customized, some believe the price could exceed $5 million. That makes it one of the most expensive camper vehicles ever imagined. But where does all that money go? Well, let's break it down. First, the body itself is insanely expensive. Lamborghini would likely use aerospace-grade carbon fiber mixed with titanium reinforcement. That means the truck is lighter, but also incredibly strong. Then comes the battery system. This isn't a normal electric vehicle battery. It's a next-generation solid-state energy platform, capable of powering motors, AI processors, smart appliances, and security systems all simultaneously, plus multiple backup power systems. Now let's talk about the AI technology. This might actually be the most expensive part. It's closer to military-grade technology. Predictive intelligence, health monitoring, facial recognition, and emotion analysis. This truck is smarter than most homes. But the optional upgrades get even crazier. Bulletproof armor, AI chef robots, and even smart camouflage. Each upgrade costs more than some actual cars. And if Lamborghini offers limited edition versions, prices would explode even higher. Ownership isn't cheap. Insurance alone could cost thousands monthly. Even tires might cost insane amounts because of adaptive technology. But rich buyers won't care, because this truck offers something money rarely buys: freedom. The ability to live and travel anywhere in a futuristic luxury machine. It's more than a vehicle, it's a status symbol. Content creators and tech billionaires will fight over these. It represents the future of lifestyle. A future where homes move and AI manages life. Lamborghini's vision could change the future forever. There's one final thing you need to see. The future of living has officially arrived. For decades, luxury meant mansions and private islands, but technology is changing everything. This Lamborghini AI camper truck proves that the next generation wants freedom. Freedom to explore without limits. Imagine taking this across snowy mountains or futuristic smart cities. It looks like tomorrow arrived early. Inside, it feels like a luxury spaceship designed for Earth. AI assistance, smart glass, and solar charging. This future is closer than you think. Younger generations want experiences and mobility. Vehicles like this could eventually replace traditional homes, redefining what luxury means. So the real question is, if the future looked like this, would you ever want to live normally again? Because after this, a normal house feels boring. The future of luxury is here. And honestly, it looks unbelievable. The future of humanity's next adventure starts now.